Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy. I'm on a journey to become debt free, and today we're gonna be playing Mini Mondays. I'm so excited, you guys. I actually have $30. 110, 15. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So $30 to play today. I'm so excited, you guys. I'll be honest with you. I've been missing out, okay? By the way, don't mind my nails. Ooh, they're a little ugly. Look at that. I had to repaint them because, they're ugly. The nail polish. So, I am a server. If you're new here, I'm a server. So, what that means is I wash my hands 24/7, all day, every second of my life. And so, the nail polish comes off real quick. So, today we're going to be doing Mini Mondays. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, my goodness. So pumped. I hope you guys had a lovely weekend, and yeah, I'm so excited. Whew, it's so hot, you guys. Like, what in the world's going on? It's so hot. But I'm excited for this week to see what it has in store. So first thing first is budgeting my debts. That is me. That one is in my coffee shop. You can download it. Next, another challenge. I love this one. I'm so sorry, but this one gets me all the time. Oh my gosh, I know I'm a little bit extra. You don't need to tell me. Everybody knows me. I'm just like that. Okay, sorry, I'm just trying to put it in place in here, so yeah. All right, next is another one from me. Oh my goodness, I have mocos in my throat. By the way, guys, I did say last time in the last video that my throat was hurting me, and that's because, you guys, I think I slept with my hair wet, and then the heater is on, and that definitely has a lot to do with me getting sick. I feel like, because I'm right there where I sleep on the side of my bed. That's where the air comes through, that makes any sense. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm rambling probably too much, but let me go ahead and get a little thumbnail. Woohoo! Okay, roll the dice, baby, roll the dice. Okay, all right, let's see, hold on, get my ring fixing. Let's go. Pow, pow, pow. All right, oh my gosh, hold on. Okay, wait, I'm sorry, I don't know how to take thumbnails, as you can tell. Okay, let me do this. Let me actually do that, because my nail looks ugly on the other hand. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, guys, so this is from my Etsy shop that I used to sell. This is from Crafted Coco. Is it Coco? Coco Cash. Coco Crafted. I can't even think of her name, you guys. Oh my gosh. Same thing. Crafted by Coco, or Coco Crafted. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so bad. Yeah, I'm so bad. Let me actually check. Hold on. It is... No, it doesn't say there. Let me see. Does this one say? Coco Cash. It just says Coco Cash, but I know it's Coco Craft or something like that. But I will leave her... I will leave it in the description and the box there what her name is, so you can find her on Instagram. Okay. Whew, my goodness, I'm hot already. It's so hot, like, I don't know. But let's go ahead and get started, you guys. I hope I can complete something. I don't know. I doubt it. I got a long way to go. But anyways, here we go. My amazing dice from Dollar Tree for $1.25. All right, here we go. What's just like, guys? I know, mames. Sorry, it went the other way over there. 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, they all get $1. Okay. 3. Otra vez, no mames. Ta madre. 5. I'm so sorry, guys. 5. I'm gonna try. There you go. 3. Sorry, I don't know why it keeps going. Look at this. No, ta madre. Okay, 6. Another 6. I'm sorry, guys. The dice is too big. I got a 10. I'm sorry. That's me. I'm crazy like that. Okay. 3, you either love it or you hate it. I'm sorry. Actually, no, I'm not sorry. Excuse me. A 5. It is huge. Yay, a 2. It is so huge, you guys, and I'm not trying to spend that much money, right? A 1. You can't tell, but it's a 1. And so I was like, you know what? Let me go to the Dollar Tree and see what I can find. A 6. Ooh, I got a 5. And I was like, let me see what I can find. It's a 2. And this is what I found. And I was like, perfect. I'm like, it's big. People can see it. But the problem is it goes everywhere. So y'all can't really see it. A 6. And yeah, a 5. And last but not least, a 3. Woohoo! All right, awesome sauce. Let's see. How far did we get? I'm not sure, but we will see. All right, here we go. All right, this one right here got 2. So we're going to go ahead and do a 2 here. This one is going to be a while for us to finish because every circle is just going to be whatever amount it gets. That's how much it's going to save. So this one doesn't really have a limit of how much you're going to save. So that's the good thing. All right, so that one is mine. By the way, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up because a thumbs up equals $1 for me to save. And we will see by the end of this year how much money I will save. All right, next, this one right here got 1, 2, 3, 4. It got 4. And each of them, each heart, it's a 3. So 4, 5, 6. Yay! So that means that we can do 2 hearts, you guys. 2 hearts on this one. Woo! 2 hearts. We got a long way to go too. So that's good. I need a little paper clip on that. So let's find a paper clip. You guys, my nose is running. My nose is running and I think it's the change of weather because I'm telling you guys, last week was like 15 degrees and now it's like 70 something degrees. So I think it's the weather change that has me like that with my runny nose. So yeah. All right, so this one here, you guys, it got 10, 11, 12. So that's 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. So we are able to color 3 number 4s. Oh my gosh, yes. Yeah, we're definitely not going to complete anything. And that's okay. If you have any freebie challenge, please let me know, guys, in the comments. And I will try my best to remember who has some and who doesn't so I can go and print them out. Because I be forgetting. I'll be honest with you. I have so much going on in my life that I forget stuff. Sometimes I even forget how to even say my own name. Like, for real. That's how bad it is. Okay. Next, we have this one. No mames. This one got only $1. We can't even do anything on this one because it only has $1. So, nope. This one doesn't get anything. Maybe next time. It's too naughty. That's why I didn't get money because she's too naughty. She's too nutty. Get it? Nutty. No. Okay. Next. We got 3. So that means that we can do 1 because each circle is $2. So we're going to put in 2 in there and we're going to leave that 1. And yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, awesome. All right. So that means that we have $1. I'm sure for the next one, we're going to be able to do it. By the way, I hope lighting is good, you guys. I hope the lighting is good. I'm trying to do my mini saving challenges here in this area. Same with Freebie Fridays in this area because so I can change it around because, you know, I do my cash stuffing in the dining area. So, you know, so make it a little bit different. So this one, we weren't able to do it last time. So this time it got a 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. It has $8 in there. 8, 9, 10. So 10. This one has 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. It has a 10. And we do have a 10. So we're going to do that one. So a 10. All right. Yay! We got a long way to go. And we need a clip as well. A paper clip. Are you guys excited that spring is coming? Oh my goodness. We're less than 40 some days until spring arrives. So yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, okay. There we go. All right. There you have it, guys. Happy Monday. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. It's a new week. Can you believe that? Already a new week? Like what? Time is flying. Oh no. Can you not really put money in here or what? Oh my gosh. Okay. It's been a long time since I've used this type of envelope, as you can tell, right? Okay. Okie dokie. Let's go ahead and put those bad boys up. And yeah, I'm so excited for Mini Mondays and Freebie Fridays. So yes, we will be here every Monday. We will be here every Friday. Okay, guys? So don't leave me. Don't leave me. All right, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope I see you guys on the next one. And oh my gosh, this thing does not want to go in there. Yeah, so I see you guys. I'm not sure when. Probably, let's see. Maybe Wednesday. You probably might see me Wednesday. I don't know. We will see. But yeah, oh my gosh, it's getting thick. Whew. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. Adios. I love you guys.